Hello everyone, I Nikhil welcome you to Vigyan Bharat. In this video today we're going to discuss the problem of the day for 26th of July 2022. So let's start with the first problem for the day. The subject is based on group theory. So the first problem is based on generators and is from the chapter cyclic groups. So let me quickly note down the problem. Problem 1, what it says, you have to find the number of generators in a cyclic group of order 10. In a cyclic group of order 10, we have four options. The options are as follows. Whatever the option you choose, try to give a justification for the same in the comment box. Let's move to the second problem of the day. Today I'll give you at least 3 problems. Okay, so problem number 2 for the day. Let me choose some good problem for you. Yeah, again it's a very elementary problem. You should know the fundamentals. But it says that if G is a group, we are given a group G of even order. Now try to understand what it means. Even order simply means that order of group is a multiple of 2. Okay. Now there are some conditions which the elements satisfy, that for every element A in the group different from the identity element, they satisfy this condition that if we square them, then they equal to the identity element. Then you have to answer the nature of the group. Then G is, what kind of a group G can be? Again, we do have 4 options. The first option is G is an abelian group. G is an abelian group. The term abelian means that all the elements satisfy the commutative property with respect to the binary operation star, whatever it is. Second, if you collect all those elements from the group which satisfy all the above properties, then they form a subgroup for the group G. Option C is that it is a normal group. You should know what it means for a group to be normal. If you know the normal subgroup test, then it can be a good way to check. Or none of the above. None of the above. So these are the 4 options for this second problem. Let's now move ahead to the third and the final problem of the day. What it says, problem number 3. I'm thinking to give you a good problem, not an easy problem, because if you solve the very easy problem, then yeah, this is again a very straightforward problem. You should quote the result for this. A necessary and sufficient condition. A necessary and sufficient. That is, I'm asking you 2 conditions. Necessary and sufficient condition for a non-empty subset H, non-empty subset H of a finite group G to be a subgroup of a finite group G to be subgroup is, you should know what it means for a group to be finite. Now there again we have 4 options. The first option is that A belongs to H, and if B does not belongs to H, then this implies A dot B. Now dot is again the operation, whatever the group we have. Dot can be anything. It can be multiplication, it can be addition. It depends on the group what you choose. So they satisfy this property. The second option is, if you choose 2 elements from the non-empty subset H, this implies the sum is in H. Third option is, again I'm choosing 2 elements. Now this implies that their product belongs to H. Last option is, try to see in the third case that this product is again the standard binary operation, whatever you are applying between A and B. Okay, so try to, that should be clear to you. This implies the difference is in H. So try to answer the correct, whatever you find the correct option in the comment box. If you have any queries related to this, then you should join our Telegram group, whose link you can find in the description of this video as well as the about section of the channel. And if you have any queries, anything, feel free to drop a text on this number. This is our official WhatsApp number. (9810975597). So that's all for today. Problem of the day. Try to solve all these problems. We'll meet again with a similar video. Try to solve them.